Today is 13th March and we will discuss one specific issue under our this series. This is newspaper simplified. An article is specific. Article is from say Daily Hindu, March 10, 2021. And author is important author Talmiz Ahmad. Talmiz Ahmad was again ex-ambassador. Talmiz Ahmad served as an Indian ambassador to Saudi Arabia, Oman and UAE. So, we have certain empirical experience, ground experience and huge experience of the diplomacy. He served as an Indian ambassador to UAE, Oman and Saudi. What is the argument and what is the issue? It's a Quad, QAD. So, Quad, and is it, title is Quad Strategic Opportunity or Quagmire? Quagmire. That means कीचड़ है क्या, दलदल, what may be your translation, but is it a complete mess, question mark, or is it a really opportunity, strategic opportunity? That means the title indicates that it's we are facing certain transition, and be careful, we don't know the inner content also, but title really suggests that it may be, you may be at crossroad. Be careful. Is it a quagmire or is it a strategic opportunity? Talmiz Ahmad, the grouping neither share strategic vision. How to define that group really is the question. How to define? Is it a strategically built idea or is it an evolved idea? Or is it a coercive idea that someone pushes us and we are now gathered in, previously it was a trio. So, neither shares a strategic vision nor it is animated by a shared agenda. Do we need a shared agenda? Of course, we need in international scenario, we need shared agenda. And India will say we have our own shared agenda. Then why this ambassador says that you need your own arguments. What is the, irrespective of anything, what is the nature of Quad? Originally one may say it's a J formula. J and J laterally or invisibly pivot to Asia created this kind of compelled argument for us. Your military exercises of three nations and laterally one real armed. Previously Japan, Australia, India was there. What exactly is the basic argument? This is March 10, Daily Hindu. Strategic opportunity or quagmire. Grouping neither shares a strategic vision nor by share ideas. Australian PM Scott Morrison says quadrilateral security is important for Australian counterpart. For Biden administration, the whole Indo-Pacific is important, specifically Western Indo-Pacific and Eastern Indo-Pacific. So, this is comparatively new terminology that Western Indian Ocean and Eastern Indian Ocean, or Western Indian Ocean, you need to consider Western Indian Ocean. US, what is US argument? Essential momentum and important potential. This is essential. Biden's first, this always said that what is your first gesture. So, second Obama's first visit was Myanmar. Biden's first, one of the major concern again is a Quad, is really suggesting factor. China's expanding foot in Southeast Asia and Indian Ocean region is real concern, and hence is it quote unquote anti-activity to someone. We are targeting a single enemy. Is that a factor? So, be careful is indirect suggestion. China's Belt and Road Initiative. So, is it that Belt and Road Initiative that you are countering? Some people will say, no, we have another way, cotton route may be there, spice route may be there, but is it really comparable? So, logistical connectivity across Eurasia and Indian Ocean. Logistical connectivity across Eurasia and Indian Ocean. What is the purpose of whole this discussion? That means essentially, are we as a collective Quad countering to China is a question. Encroachment into India's strategic space really bothered us, and that happened say after Ladakh. And how to understand water versus land. If something happens in water, then it have ramifications in your land. If something happens towards land, then it has its connection with water. Is it that kind of suggestion? India depends, India depends on so many issues on various counterparts. Here, India and Indian security is important. For that, for example, India and US, defense equipment, defense training based on defense purchases. Again, I will repeat, defense training and based on defense purchases, land and sea exercises, military doctrines and various operations. All this is a baggage when we say defense. Still we have differences on nuclear, for example, 123 agreement, but certain advance really happened in India, US as far as cooperation at various levels is concerned. And is that a real issue for China? Then Indian Quad, India in Quad. West Pacific, US focus is really west of the Pacific. And India Pacific really, why Asia Pacific translated to Indo Pacific, and is Indo Pacific really worth idea for India? Because in that sense, what is the sole purpose that India is interested in idea called the Pacific. All these three has a certain connectivity with Pacific, Japan, Australia and US of course. But what is Indian position? That is real question in that article. Since November 2017, joint military exercise of the Quad members really happened. Geopolitical space for US Navy, is that a real nature? Quad is not of course anti-China, or is it anti-China coalition? Question mark. This author just really suggests you have to discuss Quad from various perspectives. Shangri-La Dialogue, June 2018. This is Prime Minister Narendra Modi's statement that Indo-Pacific is a geographical expression. If it's a geographical expression, then how it is our concern? It's not a strategy or club of a limited members directed against any country. That is also explanation. It's not a club, Coffee Club or any other club, or just not strategy. It's beyond that. That means we are deeply concerned with that region. Then what is India's national interest? You need to revisit. That is indirect suggestion of this author. September 2019, Quad at ministerial level really this platform. So you have 2017, 18 and 19. And now this is dialogue really Quad. And what happens to China, and what will be the consequences if this really China takes it seriously, and or is it just wait and watch? We don't know the reaction of China. India ignored principle of security concern. Is it the situation that India really ignored the principle of security concern? Maritime strategy and Asian mainland, India has little things or much more things or so many things to bother about Asia and Asian problems or Asian ways. Instead of that, we are jointly correlating our whole system with Pacific. Is Pacific a Asian way to understand our Asian problems? So how to understand Asian value system, Asia's interest and Indo-Pacific? That is a again hidden question. India is the only member that is not in the West Pacific. We already discussed. West Pacific has nothing to do with India and shares undemarcated at the same time more than 3,500 km land border with China. April 2020, this latest dispute happened in Ladakh, abruptly ending long period of, this is an important argument, abruptly ending long period of productive relations, April 20. So this is scary, that is 2017, 18, 19, this is 20. China's sharp response to India's regional posture in favor of this Quad alignment may be a real concern for us, increasing interoperability. This again is a term important, interoperability, interoperability between respective forces. You can use, this is interoperability. China's reaction to various border. You are operating on various ways. So how China responds to this Quad idea? China, as sometimes US says, is threat to world order, or China has its own ways, and what is our own then strategic position? Global hegemony after, say, what happened 1949, 1979. So this is a specific way. There are certain China watchers to understand, or where China watches to understand what happens at China, or various issues related to China. How to understand China is a real question for so many people. Violation of the rules by the China for world order. Violation of the rules. No strategic vision nor animated by the shared agenda. That is a real problem. Or is it so? Is it Asian NATO? Of course, it's not a Asian NATO, because you don't have Brussels Treaty. You need Brussels Treaty, then NATO is possible. So, is it a evolution? Trade, India's number one trade partner is China. $77 billion trade, and more than $1 trillion American investment in China. So it's very difficult to counter for Indians also, or for US also. Then what is the sole purpose of this discussion? That is the real issue. So you need, Quad has certain structural problem. This is pivoted around US. How to resettle this alignment after Ladakh is a real issue. Border, neighbors and Indian Oceans. According to Talmiz Ahmed, border is important issue. When it's a Quad, you need to consider your border issue. Neighbors, what happens to neighbors and Indian Ocean. So you need to conclude what we can say. You need to set your priority as far as Quad is concerned. Prior to build relation with Quad members and non-Quad members, including China. There is a definite connection between domestic affairs and foreign relations. So how to understand this connectivity is also democratic pluralism and bidding government. So how to understand that also is an important point elaborated by this author. Foreign policy is not a part-time concern of the national leader, or it's not ad hoc, reactive, short-term, or reflecting absence of broad strategic culture. A little bit harsh words, but one need to consider that it's not ad hoc. Indian foreign policy is not ad hoc. It's not a reactive. You need a consistency, and for that you need to understand better ways to create a better shape of the Quad. That is the real urge of this, and hence plain and simple, be cautious is the message of this article. Need national policy after Ladakh, and that will really give us a new way to understand Quad. The basic idea behind Newspaper Simplified is we need to decode this in simple manner that one can easily access A and understand what exactly the sequence. And so we try to analyze Quad. On various such issues, we will continue other issues. We will continue this discussion with another issues in our Newspaper Simplified. Today is 13th March. We have completed this issue.